Okay. 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 Copy, paste. How I managed to do that? That I did not mean to do. Somehow it's running. Wow. It can. It somehow is using all the files in the same folder. That wasn't really what I intended to do, but that is really weird. Because it's importing it as a PNG sequence, which I don't actually want. All right, we've got the PNG file now. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. That's quite interesting, though, the way that it just went through the whole series. I have to look at. I have to look at what we can do with PNG sequences. Like I say, we are doing a review, but often when we review stuff, I find out about stuff which I wasn't really anticipating. Right, so we've got our ping down here, and we might do. I've actually got a way to. Okay, so there's our. Now let's see if we can actually get this to work how I want. So normally do solid layer. And by the way, we're going to look at some of these other things here. So this all looks kind of the same. This is new though. This is completely new. These ones at the bottom. You could never do 3D primitives like that before. All right, let's just do something really basic, just like the pen tool. We'll just go from here to here to here to here. Right. So that is now a mask path. I'm trying to think if this looks any different. Not really. I use this one a fair amount. So copy. And I kind of just paste that into position. Let's see. Okay. So this is what I did before, right? So this is a very important way to do things. Because of course, these are not like your regular keyframes. These are special roving keyframes, right? Okay, so they are good, and then we can reverse it. So yeah, so that's the first sort of step that we're looking at. And if we wanted to get rid of that, let me just see the mask. You just delete the mask, right? So this is only on here now, right? It's only on the top guy here. So we could do a mask with pretty much any shape, I believe. Let's just try different shapes quickly. Not, we will get to that. We will get to that. And then we can press, there you go, plus and minus while you're drawing it. That's how you do it. For some reason that completely slipped my mind. All right, so we just do something like that. Mask path, copy into position. Right, and the other thing I did, which was, didn't I do is it rotation here? Yeah, something like that. Maybe do like that. And our position, let's actually draw the so yeah, deselect, we drag it all the way to the beginning. There maybe, let's try that. Okay, expand the amount of time. Not really sure how. To be honest, it doesn't really make sense how we've done this. Let me just choose the rotation.